this video, you will be learning how to set up your spinning globe. And as you can see there in the background in the mirror, it is not touching the top of the Bible. It's a little tricky, but if you follow these directions and have patience, you will get there. So let's begin.
We're going to get ready to set up this globe, and we'll start with opening the box. When you open it up, the first thing that you're going to see is a little pocket here, and some of them will be wrapped up in plastic still, but you'll pull out this power supply. It doesn't hurt to go ahead and plug it in and get it ready. Just there we go, we got it. Plug it into the power supply here behind the counter. And by the way, you need a real level space to set this all up. Once you get the power supply plugged in, pull out the rest of this, and this whole thing is going to come out in a foam square. Once you have it out, you can set your box off to the side. Set this so that you open it up right. And there is our globe and the base. You can take the globe out of the plastic and set it off to the side for the moment. You can actually take your foam box or foam padding and just stick it there for a moment. Then you set up the base. When you plug this in, it automatically goes on. You're going to see a switch back here, but the switch isn't to turn the thing on and off. The switch is to turn on and off the light in the globe. But you set this up here. You plug your power supply right there, turns on the light. And what you're going to have to do is take this globe now and do the hardest part of the setup, and that is to get this thing so that it's balanced in the center of this thing. If you get it off, it's going to grab it. The magnets are going to pull it down, and you'll hear a clunk, and you'll have to unstick it from the base. But you try to get it set up so that it's right in the center of this Bible, this electromagnet. And there it goes. And you can kind of steady it and spin it. Now the fact of the matter is, it usually takes a lot longer to find that center, so don't feel bad if it takes you a while to get it. There have been times when it's taken me like 5 minutes, and there have been times when it has taken just a few seconds, just like it did here. So don't get discouraged, just keep looking for that center spot. You gotta hold it up at least an inch above there. It's gonna wanna stick to the base, but pull it back up and find that sweet spot in the middle where it's finally balanced.